Hey guys, so what's up? Welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel. And if this is your first time you came across this video and you found my channel Simply Daily, kindly welcome, and make sure when you finish watching this video towards the end, if you like it, just make sure you smash that like button and share this video. Anyways, on today's video, I just want to spend my weekend with you. It's on a Saturday and I just want to spend a day with you, which I'm going to where I'm doing a construction. And there's a video that I already uploaded, I think it's 5 months ago or 4 months ago, whereby it's a construction video whereby I explained on every process or every step when you're doing commercial construction where on things that you need to do step by step. Anyway, from starting from a change of use and or let me just say all the paperwork, which maybe I will pin that video or that whatever, I will put down here the link so that you can watch, so that you can connect with this video that I'm going to show you more on commercial constructions. Anyway, without wasting time, so I'm ready to step out, and as I'm going to where I'm going is going to be dusty, and that's the reason why I'm dressed like this, and that's why I'm on this cap, and I hope I'm just looking good concerning with where I'm going. So anyways guys, step out with me and let's drive together. And again, I'm gonna show you how my country look like just whenever I'll be able to capture. Okay, anyway, let me grab my bag and step out. And the car key, yeah, and the shoes I'm wearing are very comfy, they're very comfortable. Yeah, so guys, let's step out. Yeah, so guys, let's drive, and also let me show you around. Before I get to the construction site, I'm gonna show you how my beautiful country look like, and then I'll show you the rest later. All right.
To pass. Here.
Nabuka ashikwe tu. Inside. Ah. Ah.
So guys, as I mentioned earlier when I was leaving home that I was going to the construction site. So I finally got here, and I just want to brief you a little bit on what's going on. That as you can see the other side where this tall guy or these two guys are standing near, that is one of the side that I've already brought up or I'm done with it, like foundation and the ground floor thing. And now these plots, there were two plots in one place, so I decided to bring up the other side or the remaining side up to, so that when I'm doing the first floor slabbing or the first floor slab, then it will give me easier work when it's come to labor fee. So I felt it's really necessary just to bring up this side also at a go. So anyways, let me tell you what's going on here. Right now we are at the stage of doing the blinding. The blinding part it's done before you construct, or you start building, or you start working on the base and the columns. which is after excavation, which if you can look at it very well, look at the ground very well where I'm now standing, it looks like the partitions of the house, and all the partitions of the house is already done. The excavation of the partitions of the house is already done. And the next step that we're supposed to take here is to do the blinding. That is before we start, bringing the tumors, for the base and the columns. Yeah. So anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna leave this video to this point. Then I will continue again to explain further or more on construction, or the next level that we are going to do after this, after the blinding part. And also I mentioned that I was going to put another link here, or to pin another link on this video that had already explained a paperwork, or when you want to do a construction in Kenya, what are the paperworks, or what is the step or the procedures that you need to go through concerning the paperwork before even you start breaking the ground, even before the county gives you the approval, or approves you, or approves your land for the construction. So guys, I really appreciate and thank you for watching, and like or smash that like button, and you can also share my video so that other people also can learn things concerning to construction. So anyway, see you next in my next video.
Okay.